Hi, I'm here with Ruairí Newman, the newest Severalnines team member. We've been talking about MongoDB all week, and wanted to quickly do this video to talk about Mongo. So welcome to Severalnines, Ruairí. Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what your role will be here?
Thanks, Forrest. Sure. Yeah. Well, over the last 20-something years, I've worked on Unix and Linux operations and support, operational support systems like IBM, Tivoli, Netcool, HP OpenView, large-scale Zen virtualization deployments, VMware, vSphere product suite, support and operations for Amazon Web Services, and support of MongoDB for the MMS, or Cloud Manager as it is called now, and the core database server. So I've worn a lot of different hats over the years, but I'll be a senior support engineer for Severalnines.
Great. We've worked in a lot of different technical roles, but considering you previously worked for MongoDB, what do you see as the most common challenges that people are experiencing when they work with Mongo?
Well, it does vary quite a bit. MongoDB is a very flexible database server, so the use cases are many and varied. I did find the most common issues that came up were around experienced relational DBAs. Getting to grips with the restructuring of data that MongoDB's document model imposes on them. Moving from relational DB tables to a series of JSON documents requires a lot of thought, especially for complex data sets. And also, porting complex queries from SQL to MongoDB's aggregation framework can be a bit of a challenge as well. The aggregation framework is quite a powerful tool. And it can take some getting used to, especially if you're not familiar with JSON documents as a database model. I'd say those would be among the most common issues, along with maybe host configuration for increased performance, things like read ahead and what have you.
So what do you see as the future of NoSQL tech? Do you think it's going to be a fad niche, or do you think it's going to be broadly adopted?
Well, personally, I feel that NoSQL is here to stay. I don't see NoSQL replacing relational databases completely anytime soon. There's just too much investment in relational databases. I mean, not least in the supporting tools. But NoSQL databases on commodity hardware make big data workloads more accessible at significantly lower cost for a lot of companies. It's extremely valuable now in a world of machine learning, the Internet of Things, and even AI, where NoSQL offerings like MongoDB democratize scalability at a level that was previously only available to large companies with significant resources. So I think, I think it's got its niche now. I think it's here for the long haul.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time and welcome to the team.
Thank you.